Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me DJI Osmo Nano, and now I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when your camera is flickering inside. Guys, basically it's all because of flickering of your lamps, of your lamp bulbs inside. So for example, in Europe and in US, in Americas, so they use different types of lamps. They have different hertz sensitivity. So, for example, all lamps in Europe works with 50 Hertz, in USA with 60 Hertz. If you use USA region in your DJI MIMO app while setup, so you will have by default 60 Hertz anti-flickering algorithm enabled. If you use Europe or different country, you will have 50 Hertz anti-flickering algorithm. But unfortunately, I don't know how to change it manually on this device, and unfortunately it's possible on other DJI cameras, but not on this one. Maybe they will add it a bit later, but now it's not possible. So how to fix it in different way? To do that, you should open. Of course, you should have enabled camera or video recorder, right? We know it, but here you should open these settings, these parameters, yeah. Then click Pro button on the right corner of the screen, and then here scroll bit down and here click exposure, and you will have auto by default, but you should as you can see it's auto, right, and it doesn't matter at all. But now select manual mode, yeah, and here select higher ISO, maybe not too high, but higher ISO, and lower EV. And in this way, for example, ISO help you to make image more brighter, but it use algorithms for it, yeah. And you can help your camera. You can close a bit your shutter and just add a bit ISO, and in this way you will find the flickering. So that's it, guys. Hope this video helped. Please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See ya.